Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Let's get started with the left one. Here we go. Now let's move to the right one. After that, select new ear tip size. I'm going with the hugest one, and then attach it. Here we go. It's really simple process, so don't worry. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.